friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Thermaltake's new custom liquid cooling products. So friend, Thermaltake presents new custom liquid cooling products including new cooling kit, a cooling system dashboard for monitoring, 3 new water blocks. So friend, Thermaltake strives provide for a better and more user-friendly cooling experience to all PC enthusiasts and DIY cooling lovers by providing wide range of cooling components. This time Pacific TF3 Liquid Cooling Dashboard, Pacific W8 CPU Water Block Full Copper, Pacific W9 CPU Water Block Acrylic, Pacific MX2 CPU Water Block, Pacific CLM 360 Ultra Liquid Cooling Kit. So friend, the Pacific TF3 a 3-in-1 system monitoring dashboard allowing user to monitor the system liquid pressure, liquid temperature and changes ambient temperature seamlessly. And friend, it is inspired by mechanical watches. The pointer design display shows the result vividly at a glance, and it can be synchronized with the TTG RGB PLUS 2.0 software and show real-time status to control its digital RGB backlight. And friend, the Pacific W8 CPU Water Block Full Copper and Pacific W9 CPU Water Block Acrylic feature a central inlet design aiming for the best possible cooling performance. And being a non-RGB water block, the Pacific W8 and W9 water block are the best choice if you are looking to create more clean and calm vibe. And friend, the Pacific CLM 360 Ultra is a high-level liquid cooling kit that is designed for DIY cooling lovers, especially hard tube users. And friend, the highlights of the cooling kit are Pacific MX2 Ultra CPU Water Block and the Pacific PR32D5 Plus pump and reverser combo. The other cooling components such as 3-ring duo 12 fans, 416mm OD PTGB tube, a bottle of T1000 clear coolant and some accessories. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.